Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to adjust video quality setting on the Facebook app. It's super easy, so let's get into it. The first thing that we need to do is open the Facebook app on our phone and click on the three horizontal lines or the profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Now here, scroll down to settings and privacy and click on mobile data usage. As you can see it here, there is already video quality at the very first option. Click on data saver to reduce the video quality and save data as well. And that's it. That's how you adjust the video quality on Facebook. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching!